Take back your cold heart. I order liver and onions. I can't rub your feet. I've already seen your bunions. Your cigarette ashes in my diet Sprite. I can't party with you tonight, but I'll walk you home if you want me to. Well, the wheels fell off the canoe. She said, you've been so sweet, won't you come inside? Got a dog named Pete, his bark's worse than his bite. Sit on the couch and watch TV, but her dog won't stop staring at me. She said, rub my feet 'cause they're turning blue. Whoa, the wheels fell off the canoe. There's beer cans and condoms in the trash can, pickle juice on the bed. I think I've been tripping on mushrooms. Whoa, the wheels fell off the canoe. No bones in her ice cream, I am pleased to say. Her dog Pete made pancakes because he's smart that way. Train has truly left the track, and I don't think it's coming back. I tried to be normal, but I failed that too. Whoa, the wheels fell off the canoe. There's beer cans and condoms in the trash can, pickle juice on the bed. I think I've been tripping